Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a budget for studying abroad with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your overall study abroad costs. Research tuition fees for your chosen institution. Include living expenses such as housing, food, and transportation. Estimate travel costs to and from your study destination. Consider additional expenses like health insurance and visa fees. List required materials, such as textbooks and supplies. Create a separate category for leisure activities. Once you have a comprehensive list, total all projected costs. Next, evaluate your current financial situation. Assess your savings and any income sources. Look into financial aid options, scholarships, or grants. Determine the amount you may need to borrow. Open a dedicated savings account with Bank of America. Set up an automatic transfer to this account to build your savings. Use Bank of America's budgeting tools to track your progress. Prioritize essential expenses over discretionary spending. Create a timeline for when expenses will occur. Adjust your budget as needed based on changing circumstances. Keep a close eye on exchange rates if studying internationally. Regularly review and update your budget throughout the process. Stay disciplined in adhering to your financial plan. Seek help from Bank of America's financial advisors if needed. Be prepared for unexpected expenses and have a contingency plan. This approach ensures you are financially ready for your study abroad experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.